Hey, I want to show you my VR setup here, just this one. So, as you can see, I'm using this kind of camping chair from Decathlon as my racing seat, and it works wonders. I have this racing steering wheel, I think it's called Logitech G29. It can be used with both PlayStation 3 and PlayStation 4 and PC, of course. It comes with clutch pedal, 3 pedals basically. It's pretty cool. And it also, I put the wrong side stick because I want to play on I want to play like Tokyo Drift with this thing. So I attached it to this side, and now I can feel like authentic drifter in a Gran Turismo or somewhere, where they have a one VR experience, which is the Tokyo Expressway. So I want to do some Japanese car drifting there. And other than that, look at this super cheap plastic box that is meant to be for shopping and stuff. I have 3 PlayStation 4s. I put this white PlayStation 4 on top of this one, and I made it a total VR machine. There is no screen or anything. I'm just having all these controllers here, then a regular DualShock. This one I bought from the local internet store. And basically here's the camera. On top of this I used a 3M double-sided tape to secure it to this handle. And basically here's the camera, and what a perfect setup, right? My goggles are here. And I also have the aim controller for some of those war games that I play. I show you my physical game collection, which is only a fraction what I have, because I have this one, I never played it, it's boring. This was pretty good. This came with the aim controller, some kind of Mars stuff, then a Skyrim VR. This is probably the best VR game ever made. Firewall. This is a cooperative combat game, online game, really quite nice. It's almost like some kind of like a Counter-Strike, but in VR. So I quite like it. This is the scariest game I've ever played. I never got anywhere like I've only played the beginning because it's a little bit too much for me, but it's a pretty good game, this Resident Evil. And then Doom VFR. This is also one of those games I've never played, yet I have it, I just got it installed. But yeah, basically, as you can see, I have a lot of space here. So basically I can just lift this camping chair away and make space for my other VR games, which I can use to play with these move controllers. So yeah, this is I have another PlayStation which is attached to the TV, but I figured that I can't just put the VR stuff in front of the TV because, you know, I need TV, I want it to be my nice little bedroom and stuff, and as you can see, this whole room is basically empty. There's not much going on besides like my exercising equipment and some skateboard and of course the world's most popular water distiller, which I'm gonna make a whole video about one day. This is a really cool piece of technology. But yeah, this is my racing setup, and I feel it works wonders. Like, just look at this. This is like a robot. It has 2 eyes. It has this machine here, and all the wires. Look, all the wires. I just push them in from these holes, and yeah, it's clean as well. My robot vacuum cleaner, which is this one, now can perfectly clean. I just have to take the camping chair away, and this weighs like nothing. Usually I just attach my goggles like that, hang them here, like boom, and that's it. That's all you really need for a good VR experience. Pretty cool, right? If you love VR, which I do, if you love VR, leave me a comment. I would love to see your comments. I would love to speak to somebody perhaps. If you like gaming, if you're still on PlayStation 4 rather than 5. I don't have 5, so I have a 3 and 4, and I'm really happy with these two systems. I'm not so into it's not so important for me the graphic quality, because I feel like even PlayStation 3 already has really good graphics. Not to mention PlayStation 4, which has unbelievable graphics in my opinion. The graphics, that's what I'm using at the moment. This video has been recorded with iPhone 5. So iPhone 5 back camera. Mostly I do the front camera stuff, but now I do the back camera. The front camera is 720p, the rear camera is HD 1080p. And I don't care about the picture quality. I feel the content is more important, and what's more important for me is the upload speed, because as you can see, this phone here, I just moved to this house, this phone here, this is my router. This is my real phone, and this phone here is basically on the window, because I'm downloading games. I'm downloading VR games to my machine, and internet on the window, it catches the reception so much better than if it would be somewhere in my pocket or something. So basically, this is my router and my phone, my VR setup, very minimalistic. Everything is what I already had before. I haven't purchased anything new. So tell me what you think about my toys. Aren't they cool? Don't you want to have a setup like that? And you know what? I actually picked one of these PlayStation 4s I bought for myself, right? I paid quite a lot of money for this PlayStation 4, my first one. It was about $500 US dollars or euros. Yet the other two, this one and the one that's in the package just down the stair there, I got these ones for free, just somebody had been dumping them. And I feel these are such a great TV boxes. I connected to my TV. I never watched TV, but I watched the TV channels from YouTube, for an example. And they work wonders. I have no idea why would somebody dump such a great TV box and then go to buy something much more boring than that. Because these are really good systems. And as the statistics have mentioned, that these systems are still the most commonly used consoles in the world, even today. So I got two of these for free. This one I bought second hand, this whole steering wheel setup. And and I got one more thing to show you, my audio setup that I'm gonna use with this VR. Like, I have this Bose earphones, which I actually never really use. But what these ones? QC25. And I just came up with this idea. Let me show you what I'm gonna do with these earphones. Because even though basically PSVR has its own audio earphone setup, but these are these kind of small earphones that go into your ear, and they're not really all that comfortable. Besides that, they don't come with a dedicated microphone. While, I got myself, let me put this thing on a tripod. I got myself a really cool little wire. You see, for some reason, iPhone technology, these earphones don't work with PlayStation. But it's something about iPhone's wiring, because they somehow twisted this part, maybe switched them around those rings here. But what I did is I purchased from internet, I already had these earphones. These are a piece of garbage actually, they are definitely not worth their price, but because I was once stupid enough to already purchase them, so I might as well just get myself a cheap microphone as such. And now look, boom, here is the mute button, mute, unmute, clip for the place. And by the way, this doesn't have any kind of microphone or anything, but you can control volume and stuff. And basically, it's like I plan to attach it to like here, just like here, chunks. And now these earphones are basically like a noise cancelling VR earphones with the microphone on it. And this microphone is actually pretty good. If I play anything online, then people actually understand what I'm talking about. That makes it pretty cool setup if you really think about it. And I can just hang them like that. Nice, right? Tell me what you think. Leave me a comment. I already had all this equipment much before, but I just decided that because I have this big room, as I mentioned earlier, I just decided that, you know what, I'm gonna find the way to put them things to use. And that's what I came up with. Used my earphones that I otherwise would never use, use my VR headset, and just make some place which is always ready for me to do some gaming if I start feeling bored or anything. And another rule that I made is that I'm never even going to switch off that PlayStation at all. I'm just going to keep it on all the time. It can take some electricity, because one of the things that puts me off is that little extra effort that I always need to make to even play such thing like PlayStation, that turn it on and wait and so on and so on. I need to make this part really easy for myself. Only then I will be able to really use this system as I designed it, like that. All the wires, as you can see, I haven't really been packing them very well, but I will get some zip ties and make it all look perfect. At the moment they're just twisted around the frame and so on, but as time goes on I will make it much more cleaner. Even at the moment, as you can see, only this wire is really hanging here. Other than that, it's perfect for the robot vacuum cleaner to do its job. And yeah, tell me what you think. Do you play PlayStation? Give me a thumbs up as well if you see this video. If you don't like this video, that's alright too. Have a very nice day. Wish you all the best. Love you.